What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video on Thousand Oaks, right in front of Nike Westlake. I think it's like 10 minutes till they open. Yeah, let's go see what's up. It is 10 minutes before they open. I don't see anybody here. Usually there's a few resellers that usually wait out front. Nobody today. Wow. I got like 4 minutes left. I did chill my truck for a little bit. All right, let's go. Let's go see what happens. I do see a sign that says 40% off select items. Let's go see. All right, they did open. Let's go. Dude, got a little heat section. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Soon as the resale starts dropping, people start returning. I've never seen one of these. I really like the premium. Oh my goodness, this is so premium, dude. Leather is so nice. This is a 6.5, a men's 6.5, which is the same as a youth 6.5Y. Wow, look at the quilted pattern in the inside. It has the We the Best logo on the insole. It says go in, and then on the other side it probably says something else. Man, this is dope. I'm just not a fan of the color. That's why I couldn't grab it. The color, I just don't see myself wearing pink like that. This isn't even a traditional pink. It's like a peach. It's like a peach in between a peach and a pink. Maybe more of a peach. Do like that milky outsole. Dude, that's dope. They're not giving sales on these items because they know these are gonna sell. They're gonna sell even at regular price. From Beijing to the world. With these dunks. Never seen these dunks. Those are, damn, the material on this is ridiculous. This is size 9.5. These dunks, we've seen these. Got these as well. That's why there's no resellers out, because they're not giving discounts on these things. What are these? The Chanels. A pair of these. Jordan 1 lows. Dunks. More dunks. And then some Jordan 11s. I'm not saying the price because they're not listed and I don't remember the price. I think the dunks go for $125 now. These are what, $170. I think these are what, $110. I don't remember all the prices. I'm sorry, guys. All right, I do see one of the local resellers. This fool's always here. All right, let's check out the clearance section, which is what, 40% off. All right, not seeing anything super crazy. I'm trying to peruse pretty quick because the resellers are here, so I'm trying to show you guys stuff. All right, so I see them going around. I don't see anything super crazy. I think the biggest deals are 40% off of those right there. They did take one of the things from the heat items. Those, what, olive dunks? They did take one of those. All right, let's look around here. I always start with the huge size 13, $70 for these. These are the Go Flies. I've never even seen this color. But yeah, do get $70 and 40% off. Metcon 6s go for $70. The Burrows, the Joe Burrows right here, going for $30. Holy crap. Size 15, Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $85. Remember, all these you do get 30% on top, or 40% on top, my bad. Vape Alphafly Next Percent's going for $160. Size 14, I've never even seen this colorway. The iShod Wears go for $100. Bronze going for $100, which means 60, that's size 15. These are down to $100. Damn, $60 after the discount. That's crazy. Air Force Ones. These are size 11s, by the way. $130 for these. I don't see any size 12, size 11.5 going for $50 each. Holy crap. $30 after the savings. Size 9.5. I don't see nothing in the size 10. $120 for these. We need to get that 40 off. $100 for these, size 9. J Freeze going for $80. It's the size 9. Icon 8, the latest model, go for $70. That's the size 8.5. Couple of the Zoom Blazer GT Pros going for $60. Got a bunch of those 8.5, 8s. Got some Blazers. These are 7.5s going for $90. And these down to $100. Okay. All right, I'm gonna scavenge the clearance section just in case I miss anything. Then we'll go check out the rest of the aisles. Heat jersey, who's this? Haslam? Udonis Haslam. I don't even know who team he's on now. These are the screen printed jerseys. These are the Swingman. These are going for $90. This is 40% off all the clearance apparel, which is freaking dope. If they have anything on these. What is this, like a surfer t-shirt? No, like $50. $50 t-shirts, what the F? Down to 35, reasonable 35. Like a Hawaii t-shirt or something. Polos, what these polos go for? These polos go for $40, normally $85. Holy cow. I'm not seeing too much heat in the apparel section. I'm pretty sure this doesn't belong here. Yeah, because I got a bunch right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this belongs here. 30% off some of the random stuff. Nike Elite socks and stuff like that, 30% off. So $8.30 off. That USA one, this would have been dope. For the World Cup, this would have been dope. What size is it? Oh, 12 to 15, that's too big for me. Too big for me. Got a couple backpacks on sale. $20 and you get 30 off on top of that. Holy crap, so is that 14 bucks? This extra bright one, I don't know, just regular price though, 35. Got tons of shorts, not really seeing too much crazy stuff. Double XL, got these fleece shorts right here. These are actually knee height, knee level. All the shorts are getting so damn short. $40 for these, normally $60 double XL. This is interesting. What the hell? Mid-thigh shorts right here. Yeah, that's that weird stuff, man. I'm telling you, that's weird. For me, that's weird. $40 for these, normally $60. There's got a ton of basketball shorts. You can always find really cheap basketball shorts. Got some long pants right here. Sweats and stuff like that. Okay, what is this? This looks super. $1.20 down to 90. Feels super premium. That is a small though. I'm sure small fits some of you guys, right? Let's see. Another pair of sweats right here, 45. Feels like, oh, this is dry fit. That's what that is. Nike yoga Nike yoga pants right here, going for 36. Normally 45. That's a medium. These golf pants, Nike golf pants. You should go for a ton. These are all XLs right here, and then these go for what? I don't know what these go for. $70 right here. Okay. Normally 90. Where you do get 40% off everything. Not seeing anything too crazy though. Jordan sweats going for 50. Normally 80. Backpacks, more backpacks going for 40% off. I'm not a fan of these. These are too small though. I guess I will show you the price since I did bring it up. $17. $17. So what is that? 10 bucks? 10 bucks for those backpacks. Holy crap. These turquoise ones right here go for $17. Damn. Alright, do got this little Jordan section right here. Don't really see anything on sale other than those bottom two items. Ooh, what was that one? Curious to see what that one was. Jordan 3's on sale now. Jordan 3's on sale. Is that the core purple ones? Wow, that's fire. I would scan this to see if they got more. Alright, I did scan it. This was that multicolor suede looking one. Damn, they had them for 30% off. Damn, like, you know, resellers copped all those. Damn, that would have been what, 140? Wow. I remember you do get full box and everything here. That's why resellers love this place. I love this place because of that as well, because I can stack my boxes. When I put them on the shelves, I can stack them. I would stack on my shoes. But yeah, I need to make room. Man, I got so much crap. All right, 160 for these. These are on sale as well. Holy crap. So we are starting to see retros go on sale. Wow, I'm excited about that. Wow. And you get another 30 off on top of that. Holy crap, this is the dopest colorway too. Wow. That's hella surprising. That is fire. Size 8 all the way to 12. Actually 7.5 all the way to size 12. Wow. That is dope for you collectors right there. Jordan Access. Another one of those. Third one of those. And the Westbrook Take 1s. And got these right here. Hydro 6s. And the Soldier 14s. That comes out to like $110 for those Jordan 11 low IEs. That's dope. I'm so happy to hear that, or so happy to see that. That's fire. All right, let's check out the rest of the aisles. Air Max 2017s. 2090s. Prices keep falling for those. You got the Crater Premiums, VaporMax 2021s, Flynets. Reseller kids grabbed all these, the Killshot 2 leathers. $50, is that great of a deal? But y'all left a mess. Come on now, man. Have some courtesy for the workers here. That's kind of jacked up. That would annoy me, you guys. That would. If I worked here, that is. But yeah, the SB Alley-Oops. Another one of those. Crater Impacts continue to go down like crazy. Air Force One highs. Air Max 97s going for hella cheap, under $100. Got some Air Force One lows. So one with the better leather, the retros. Then dude got some Monarchs, Redcon 7s, Free Run 2s. I guess it's 38s. I guess it's 38 Shields. I guess it's 39 4Es. These are the extra wide ones. Another one of those Pegs 39s. Zoom Fly 4s being priced down big time. Look at this. Holy crap. $50, you get 35% off. So it's at $35. Got quite a few sizes. Checking the women's clearance section now. Do got some Blazer low platforms going for what, $70, size 11.5, 10.5 right here, size 9 men's. Bunch of flowers and stuff on it, going for $50. Max 90, size 10.5, size 9 men's, going for what, $80? $80. Remember, it is 40% off everything. In this clearance section, size 7.5, going for $180. First one sculpts go for $110. These are 8.5s. Got that premium leather on it. These are nice. 7.5 Vaporfly next percents go for $150. $80 for these. These are size 9 women's. Air Max 2090s. Some dunks, and this is a Dunk Luxe luxury one. I got some nice leather on it. $150 for these. These are size 10. That's about it, dude. Not really seeing too much here in the women's today. Alright, we're checking out the women's section. Got the women's Joe Burrows right here. The pre-day, the Air Max pre-days, I believe. I really like that camo, that desert camo that they have. OGs going down in price. Air Force One platforms. The hell is this? Whatever looking Air Max. Flyknit Racers, VaporMax 2021s. Another one of those. Wow, look at that. Then yeah, this is fire, dude. This is fire. I'm such a fan of this one right here. The fact that it's cream right there too. Oh man, this is dope. That's dope. It's a women's. It only goes up to size 9 women's, which is what, 7.5 men's. And they do have stuff right here on the side, and look at that. Look at that. That is fire. Probably smaller sizes, but you can check on Nike on their app. You can check to see what size they have. Oh geez, the 8s. Look at this. 8s going down to 50% off. Holy cow. Got the cement gold ones. I think Shoe Palace. I think I saw Bosco's video. Shoe Palace had those on sale. I haven't been to Shoe Palace in a minute, I guess. And got the 5s as well. Wow. So I did check these on the Nike app. They have up to size 8 men's, 9.5 women's. So that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Checking out the performance section, price 38s. 39s go for regular price. We haven't seen regular price packages in a while. That's what I'm talking about, more 39s. I guess this Trail 3's been eaten up. Only a couple sizes left. More Pegasus Trails. These are the 2s. We need to run finding 3s. What? Wow, look at the price. They've gone down like crazy. More of these 38 things. I try not to check out the women's clothing and stuff. Sometimes it just looks creepy, dude with the camera walking around, like checking out sports bras and stuff. But dude got these normally, what, $38 down to $20. Not bad. Got multiple colors. And then got the matching shorts as well for $20. Like, that's not bad. And the Nike Pro ones up top going for $15. Normally $40 down to $15. I don't know the size and stuff, but they got some decent sales. Okay. Women's shorts going for $10. And then these, I don't know what the hell are these called. Yoga pants? I think dudes just call these yoga pants. So you don't know any better. 60 down to 40, down to 20, 45, then down to 20? Really? Wow. I got 40% off a bunch of stuff right here. All the running shorts and stuff like that. $10, 40% off. On top of that, really? Wow, if y'all need some tights and stuff, 50 bucks, 40 off right here. More sports bras and stuff like that. 29 bucks, $20 for those. All right, I'm done. I'm done being creepy. This is weird. I'm out. Let's go. All right, guys, that was a pretty crazy trip, you guys. To see the Jordan retros like that, you know, the 11 low IEs, to be able to get those for what, 110 or something, like that's insane. I know some of you guys are gonna say, hey, those aren't like true retros. Those came out in '96, yo. Those came out in '96. Like that came out when the regular Jordan 11s came out, so that is fire to be able to see those. That is dope. Also the DJ Khaled's, to be able to find that at the outlets, that's pretty fire. It's not on sale, but someone's gonna buy it, so I don't blame them for not having it on sale. That is pretty fire to be able to get that. You know, to be able to get that. I forgot to check to see what size they have, but I don't think there was there wasn't a tag on it. That's why there wasn't a tag, so I couldn't scan. But pretty fire, you guys. Pretty fire. Guess you could ask the employee, you know, if they had other sizes. They're pretty nice there. You know, you can go ask them. But pretty dope to be able to see some of the stuff, the Dunks, the Khaled's, the Jordan 11 low IEs, sports bras and stuff like that for women. Like pretty freaking dope. Pretty dope. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got tons of videos coming. Yeah, I'm heading out to a few more spots. So, yeah, follow my IG too, because I'm going to throw these on. Oh, should I do a short? Maybe I'll do a short and then do an IG later, but we'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you guys next one. Peace.